Hello, good afternoon. Today we come to show you about our careers. My name is Daniela Cardoso and I want to study public administrator. What is about is related to the management of public affairs to participate in the improvement of government capacity and in the develop of innovate a solution to the problems of society. Um, Consider that my personality is real to the benefit or with the help of that you can make proposals where society science banks. The exit profile for this career must be able to lead and create innovations. The universities that is aspire to enter the High School of Administrator Public that I think is very good since I am alone in this career and in the National University.